Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about U.S. Bank Leverage Business Credit Card. They have a $900 nationwide offer for their business credit card, and this offer is churnable. So, love that, where you can get business checking account bonuses multiple times over and over. So, a little bit of show and tell before we jump in. This is my card from last year, and here's my new card I just got in the mail today this year. So this one paid me almost $1,000, and this one's going to be $900. So that's pretty sweet, just for paying bills. All right. Before we jump into additional details, I do have a quick disclaimer. Why is this not doing anything? Okay. Anyway, so I am a customer of U.S. Bank. I am not affiliated by them. I'm not endorsed by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only, and all these screenshots are from the website. All right. So before we jump in, a huge shout out to Rohan, my buddy. At the Home Bible Study group. He is getting into this fun and profitable game and just started by opening up a Chase business checking account. So shout out to Rohan for starting to this fun and profitable game. All right, so jumping on. So when was the last time your bank paid you $900 for paying bills? So paying bills is just one of those things. It's just part of life. And if you can get paid and not have to see bills as just some evil necessity, but it's something that you can make money off of, and it definitely does take the sting out of paying bills. All right, there we go. The fireworks. So I haven't previously. Never mind. So I do have a $3 million challenge for the year 2023. I want to help at least 1,000 people make at least $3,000 from these videos in 2023. I got my buddy Alan, who just got into this game about 2.5 weeks ago, and he's already made well over 4,000. So it is definitely possible to make this type of money fairly easily. And one of the parts of this channel is I have been doing this. This is year number 6 for me now, and I've been making over 10,000 per year for the last 6 years. And if you want to make the type of money I make, well, then sign up for the stuff I sign up for. And U.S. Bank is one of the things I definitely sign up for because they love handing money to customers. As of right now, this offer is a record offer, limited time. They also have a business checking bonus. A business credit card is an extension of a business checking account. They currently have a $750 nationwide offer. So, bam, snag that. And then I have a link to that video here. That's still good until the end of June 2023. Take advantage of that. It's much easier to get approved for the business credit card once you already have the business checking account. So this is becoming a once a year $900 credit card bonus for me. Absolutely love it. So this is from last year. As I said, I got last year's card. It had a Winter Olympics bonus of another $75. And this, hold on, backwards. This is the one from last year, the green one. This is new money for this year. So June 1, 2022 is when I redeemed 95,000 points worth $950 off of this one card. So made a video about this previously. Points redeemed for cash money goes into my U.S. Bank checking account. And if you take the $750 from the business checking account bonus and the $750, well, once you spend the money, you get another $150 in 2%. It's just as easy as my friend back here, the bear, is getting his lunch. Literally, it's like the fish is jumping straight in your mouth. And that's why I absolutely love the picture of the grizzly bear. My wife calls me bear for some strange reason. Anyway, so there's that. It's literally really easy money. So I made a video on this last year, and if you're curious to see about the process I went to apply for that last year, so here's the old video, and obviously you're watching the new video here now. So this is the current link for what they have. You can screenshot this, type it in. You can hit the QR code. You can see it in the description box down below. Or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. That's always there. So this is what's currently on their website. And I just got an advertisement for this exact card, even though I just got the new card in the mail today. So there's that. So is your business card earning you the most rewards? Earn 2% back on the top 2 categories where you spend the most each month automatically, and then 1% back per dollar spent on eligible offers. This does have a 95 annual fee, but they waive the fee for the first year. So typically what I do in month 11, right when they're thinking about hitting me with another annual fee, I just say, I don't really want to pay the fee. I don't think I'm getting enough benefit out of it. So please close it down, and they try to beg you and plead you, don't do it. So just shut it down anyways and go for it again the next year. So 2% in the categories. So what I plan on doing with this is homeowners insurance. My mom's got her home and then two rental homes. So and they all renew around the same amount of time. I say, Mom, hey, can I pay your bills? Yes. So I look around, try to find her the best deal, use my card to pay for it, and then reimburse myself for paying for her bills. So that's awesome. And that definitely would count in one of the 2% categories. So bam, there's that. All right, so 750 bonus offer when you spend 7,500 in eligible purchases within the first 120 days. So it's sweet that they do give. It's not a standard 90-day offer; it's 120 days. No cap on your rewards, low annual fee. Spend your tracking, employee cards, and then pay over time, which I kind of never recommend. Never recommend paying fees. All right, so this is me applying for the card. So I always select sole proprietor. That is absolutely the easiest. I was talking to somebody. They're saying, "Hey, what if I get a corporation?" Well, corporation requires a lot more paperwork. If you happen to have a corporation, well, then you got to put in all the paperwork, like your articles of incorporation and stuff like that. But as far as state specific stuff, like I live in Texas, so the absolute easiest way to apply for any business card is sole proprietor because you are the business and the business are you. So on my cards, it's got my name and then my name again as I am my company. So there is that. How much total revenue for the year for your business? When was it started? Address? Are you doing a DBA? If you need another mailing address, about the industry, I put this under rental homes since this card is going to be used for paying bills associated with rental homes, and then 20% complete. Get to know you, first name, middle name, last name, email, mobile number, standard stuff, date of birth, social security number, or ITIN. ITIN is individual tax identification number, street address if it's the same, your annual personal income if you have deposits at other institutions, save and continue, 40% done. What best describes you? So I put as owner or whatever. And then employee cards, no thanks. It's just me doing this. Balance transfers, no thanks. Some balance transfers are worth doing. This one's absolutely not because it's the interest rate's ridiculous for balance transfers. It's the same as the purchases. Not a good deal. Some credit cards that have 0%, which is something you may want to consider to make money elsewhere. Does everything look right? Confirm the terms. Then you have the circle of death. And then it says accept terms and submit. Now, this is that humble little button to where you're like, wow, the thoughts start going through your head. Okay, you push the button and it says review your info. You start thinking, do they like me? Do they not like me? What's going on? Are they going to like me? Are they not going to like me? How much are they going to like me? You got the circle of death spinning, 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 and then finally, bam, John, you're approved. Credit line 23,000. So that is awesome. And the interesting thing, okay, so there's two different types of credit bureaus, credit reports. You got your personal and you got business. They're completely separate. So basically, my score for my business credit cards, the Ink cards, and other Bank of America business cards, and Amex business card. I've had Wells Fargo business cards as well. Probably some other ones I don't remember. Anyway, those go on a completely different score system than your personal credit report. They don't show up on your personal credit report. This one does not show up on personal credit report, so there is that. Within seconds, email notifications come in. So when you're in with different different banks, bam, Unify hit me, new inquiry, and then Capital One, bam, there's a change to your TransUnion, so they do pull TransUnion. Upgrade, new information added to your credit report, like instantly, bam, bam, bam. Then Discover and Chase Credit Journey, and then the Bank of America one, and then text messages, and yeah, so it's definitely you want to have all the free monitoring as you can because it's just if anything ever changes, then like instantly, like I knew instantly, bam. So congrats, John. Get the new card in 7 to 10 days. So it's been that long to get new card to be able to use for homeowners insurance. Now you may ask, hey, how do you get such approvals? And how do you get big credit limits? And how do you get, that pay your bills on time, because your personal credit report is affected. They do pull my personal credit report to make sure, hey, can this guy handle his bills? If I were to tell anybody, if you look at the 5 things that make up your credit score, pay your bills is the most important one. Everything else doesn't really matter. Pay your bills, pay them on time. If you do that, your credit score is going to be perfectly fine. So here's the math: 750 in points for spending 7,500, plus the 2%, which is going to be under the homeowner's insurance. That's going to be a bonus 150 on top of that for cashback, which is a total of $900. This is an awesome credit card. That's it. I just got one last year, and now it's June. I'm getting a brand new one. So I love business credit cards like this that pay me to pay bills, especially ones with the big bonuses. They don't have like Chase Sapphire, which got the 48-month rule, or lifetime limitations like the Amex Platinum business card. So I just got this one in the mail today. Hey, apply. That's, I do plan on getting that card probably around December for mathematical reasons. So definitely take advantage of what they have to offer. I mean, US Bank, I made multiple videos about them. I did the triple cash one before. That's also another 500 bonus. My threshold for credit cards is 500. If you can't get at least 500 in benefit out of it, it's not worth considering, in my humble opinion. All right, I still have comments off for my videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, or criticisms, hit me up at churningadventures@gmail.com, and I will get back to you quickly. And then today's question: what are the scariest words in the Bible? People often say, it's true, but is it gospel truth? Can I really count on this? Well, gospel truth right here. What are some of the scariest words in the Bible? So people, man, is you can say you're atheist and stuff, but people are they're religious. They have some sort of superstition if they don't have anything else. Everybody has some sort of belief. They have some sort of thing about right and wrong. But here's what Jesus said that's absolutely scary. So Jesus went through cities and villages. This is out of Luke 13, teaching and journeying towards Jerusalem. Then somebody said to him, Lord, are there few who are saved? He said, strive to enter through the narrow gate. For many, I say to you, will seek to enter and will not be able. That's scary. And once the master of the door has risen up, shut the door, and you begin to stand outside and knock at the door, saying, Lord, Lord, open for us. And he will answer you, saying, I do not know where you're from. Then you'll begin to say, we ate and drank in your presence, and you taught in our streets. You taught us. We knew your word. But he will say, I tell you, I don't know where you're from. Depart from me, all of you workers of iniquity. And there will be weeping and gnashing of teeth. That's scary. People who think they deserve to go into heaven. A lot of people say, if my good deeds outweigh my bad deeds, can that make me okay with God? Ultimately, it can't. You will see Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and all the prophets in the kingdom of God, and yourselves thrust out. They will come from east and west, north and south, and sit down in the kingdom of God. Indeed, those who are last will be first, and first will be last. People who think that they should be in heaven are not. He'll say, depart from me. I don't know you. People who work iniquity, people who practice sin. Those are scary words. Friends, kisses, wounds from a friend are better than kisses from wounds from a friend are better than kisses from an enemy. So there's information here, how to follow Jesus, additional information on that if that's something you're interested in. Another thing that holds people from God is addictions. Online pornography is one of the big ones. I mean, you can be addicted to anything. There's an innumerable amount of things you can be addicted to, but online pornography is one of the big ones. There's over 4 million pornographic websites out there. What's going to protect you and your family from viewing stuff that honestly nobody should be viewing? If this is an issue in your life, check out my referral link in the description box below. I am an affiliate for Covenant Eyes. Check them out. Get your first 30 days free. See if that's something that'll benefit you. And finally, if you're still here with me, definitely appreciate it. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who'd be able to benefit from it, and subscribe with the bell notification so you can be amongst the first to learn about profitable opportunities like this. And with that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.